Hello students, welcome to our online class. I hope you enjoy it a lot. We have already covered some parts of our lesson. I hope you have gone through it. So how are you doing now? Perhaps well. Then come to recap the previous lesson. Before going to recap, I would like to tell you a very small story. Let's enjoy. Tara wanted to cross a busy road. Her friend ran and ran, but Tara waited, watched, and used the zebra crossing. And then she arrived safely. Later, she shared the rule with others. What did she share? Think a little. What did she share to her friends? That is the wisdom how to cross the road. She had the knowledge, but she used that knowledge in a proper way, in a suitable manner that she covered the road, she crossed the road safely. Before going to recap, I hope you have gone through this topic very well. Let's enjoy. Here are some questions for you. First one is, where were the four young men going? Where were the four young men going? Raise your hands, children. What is the correct answer? Ujjain. Yes, you are right. Thank you. Then come to second question. How long had they been traveling from home? How long had they been traveling from home? Saujanya, you are always raising your hands. Then give a chance to Abhilipsa. Abhilipsa, tell the right answer. Oh, you are right. Very good, very good. 10 days is the right answer. Next question is, from where had the left? From where had the left? Others also enjoy. Give the right answer. From where had the left? Yes, their village. Their village is the right answer. Next question, who believed that the king would recognize their talents? Who believed that the king would recognize their talents? You tell the answer. Excellent. Ramdass believed that the king would recognize their talents. Dear children, where you find this type of question, then it is very easy to answer. In the place of who, you write the correct answer, Ramdass. Then other part of the sentence is at your hand to answer. Suppose we write Ramdass in place of who. Then Ramdass believed that the king would recognize their talents. Next, come to the text. I share your belief. I share your belief. Indeed, we ought to be united in this hope. That is why we press on towards Ujjain. I share your belief. Indeed, we ought to be united in this hope. That is why we press on towards Ujjain. Dear students, reading means not just reading, but reading with understanding. Listen, just not listen, but listening with understanding. I hope you enjoy this topic. Then, gaining an audience with the king is no simple task. We need to devise a strategy. Let's reach the city, gets fast. We can deliberate wants our closure. Gaining an audience with the king is no simple task. We need to devise a strategy. Let us reach the city gates fast. We can deliberate once we are closure. Gaining an audience with the king is no simple task. We need to devise a strategy. Let us reach the city gates fast. We can deliberate once we are closure. Here are some new words for you, dear children. Then the words are believe, indeed, devise, deliberate. Can you say or guess the meaning of believe? I ask you for this that reading is a guessing game. So belief means the acceptance that something is true or real, often without needing proof. We can make sentence using the word belief. It's my belief that she is telling truth. It's my belief that she is telling truth. Our belief is trust. Then come to the next word, indeed. Indeed means actually or truly. The hotel rice bowl is very nice indeed. The hotel rice bowl is very nice indeed. Then third word is devise, means to think of. We need to devise a clever strategy to win the competition. We need to devise a clever strategy to win the competition. Note down, children, the sentences. Then deliberate. It is the verb form. Devise is also a verb form. She spoke in a calm and deliberate voice. So what is the meaning, you guess, children? Deliberate means to think carefully. She spoke in a calm and deliberate voice. Then look there, friends. A camel has passed his way. The tracks are fresh. Yes, let's observe them as we continue. They may tell us more than meets the eye. Look there, friends. A camel has passed his way. The tracks are fresh. Yes, let's observe them as we continue. They may tell us more than meets the eye. I have discovered something peculiar about this camel. So have I. I too have noticed a strange detail. I have discovered something peculiar about this camel. So have I. I too have noticed a strange detail. Next, come to this part. It seems each of us has learned something unique. Yet I believe my discovery is unlike any of yours. It seems each of us has learned something unique. Yet I believe my discovery is unlike any of yours. Next part is let's rest beneath a large tree and share our findings, but wait, someone approaches in haste. Let's rest beneath a large tree and share our findings, but wait, someone approaches in haste. Here are also some new words for you in this part. The words are examine, scrutinize, peculiar, beneath, and last one is haste. Examine. It is the verb form. Examine. It is a verb. Its past form is examined. What we say V2. Then V3 or past participle is examined. If we can make a sentence to look at something very closely, to look at something very carefully or closely. If we can make a sentence, the sentence is the doctor examined the patient. What is the sentence? The doctor examined the patient. Scrutinize is also the verb form. It means to examine something very closely or to look carefully. Sentence is the chief scrutinized the papers. The chief scrutinized the papers. Then peculiar means unusual, unexpected. If we can make a sentence using the word peculiar, the milk had a peculiar smell, so I didn't drink it. The milk had a peculiar smell, so I didn't drink it. Then beneath. Beneath means under. Beneath means under or below something. The synonym of beneath is under, below, and antonyms are above, over. If we can make a sentence, the book fell beneath the chair. The book fell beneath the chair. Alex is sitting beneath the pine tree. Alex is sitting beneath the pine tree. Then the next word is hushed. It is a noun. It means in a hurry. Sentence is the application had been approved with undue haste. The application had been approved with undue haste. Then children, worksheet for you. Answer the following questions. Where were Devdutt and Hardutt going? Where were Devdutt and Hardutt going? Who can answer the question? Nitin, stand up. Tell the answer. Wow, very good. Ujjain. Where were Devdutt and Hardutt going? Ujjain. Next question is, what did Devdutt suggest they should do first? What did Devdutt suggest they should do first? Then Rakesh, you tell the answer. Good. Reach the city gate first. Very good. Next question comes to Rinki. What did Shivdutt notice on the ground? What did Shivdutt notice on the ground? Very good. Tracks of a camel on the ground. Rinki is very good. Tracks of a camel on the ground. The next question, what did Ramdutt say about camel's track? What did Ramdutt say about the camel's track? This question is for Ankita. Very good. Indicated the camel was lame in one leg. What is the answer? Indicated the camel was lame in one leg. Next worksheet 2. Match the words in column 1 with their correct meaning in column B. It is very easy for you students. In column 1, we find some words as deliberate, examine, scrutinize, peculiar. Column 2, we find some words and phrases to check something in detail, in a hurry, different from normal, to think carefully, to look carefully. Then, are you ready, students? Let's enjoy this worksheet. First one is hushed. Meaning is in a hurry. It is easy for you because already we have covered this words and meaning. Next is deliberate. Deliberate means, you tell, Sasmita, to think carefully. Very good. Next is examine. What is the meaning of examine? Examine means to check something in detail. Next word is scrutinize, to look carefully. The last one, peculiar. The answer is also known to all. What is the answer? Very good. Different from normal. Then what is for you now? Worksheet 3. Underline the nouns in the following sentence. A. We need to devise a strategy. Find out the noun. Again, Ayushman. This is for you. Tell me the answer. Excellent. Strategy is the right answer. Next question is, they may tell us more than meets the eye. They may tell us more than meets the eye. Then underline the noun or tell me which one is the noun in this sentence. Prabhas. Very good. I is the right answer. Next question, I have discovered something peculiar about this camel. I have discovered something peculiar about this camel. Subhasmita, this question is for you. Answer this. Camel. Wow, very good. Next, let us rest beneath a large tree. Last question, let's rest beneath a large tree. Who can tell this answer? Raise your hands. Tree. Very good. Very good. Next, come to the assessment. There are some dialogues in this topic, and in the assessment section, it is also given who said the following statements. Indeed, we ought to be united in this hope. That is why we press on towards Ujjain. Who said this? Who said this? Who can answer? Again, Saujanya? Yes. Devdutt, the right answer. Let's clap for Saujanya. Next question is, look there, friends. A camel has passed this way. The tracks are fresh. Who said this? It's very easy. Next, Rasmita. Very good. Sibdat. Answer is Sibdat. See, I have discovered something peculiar about this camel. Who said this? Who said this? Priyanka? Yes, Ramdutt. Very good. Next also another matching for you. Match the word in column 1 to find the perfect one in column 2. There are 2 columns. In column 1, we find foreman, scrutinize, camel, harsh, deliberate. In column 2, we find to think carefully, in a hurry, look carefully at, tracks are fresh, rest beneath a large tree. Then we have to match or join to find the perfect one. First one is foreman. Foreman, very good, rest beneath a large tree. Next one is scrutinize. The meaning are known to us because previously we have discussed it. Then it is very easy for you, what I think. Then scrutinize. Look carefully at. Very good. Next, camel, tracks are fresh. Next is haste. In a hurry. Then deliberate, to think carefully. Very good. Well done, students. Write the noun form of the following verbs. While discussing the new words, I have already told you the noun form, verb form. Then it will be very easy for you. Then believe. The noun form of believe is. Others also raise your hands. Believe is. Very good. Believe. The noun form of believe is believe. Then device. Who can tell the noun form of device? Yes, right. Device. So it is device, it is device. What is the difference between the noun form? Because only the spelling is different. Here D-E-V-I-S-E and in the noun form D-E-V-I-C. Next come to examine. Examination. The noun form of examine is examination. Then act, action. Then choose, choice. In the left hand side, there are the verb forms and we also turn into the noun forms. Thank you for watching, dear children.
ଖୁସିରେ ଶିଖିବା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଅଧିକାର। ନମସ୍କାର।